In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install and set up Honeyminer on your Windows 10 PC or laptop. Once we have finished setting up Honeyminer, I will then leave my computer running for 24 hours and we will see just how much coin my PC has managed to make. I have a GTX 1660 Super, so it will be very interesting to see if Honeyminer really is worth it and just how much you can actually make within those 24 hours. The first thing you need to do to get set up on Honeyminer is to click on one of the links in the description below. The first link is to the main site of honeyminer.com where you can download the program, and the second link is a referral link which will help me out. So if you want to help me out, click on the referral link. If you don't, then that's perfectly fine. Click on the first link. Once you're on this page, we now need to go ahead and click on download in the top right hand corner, and you then need to go save file. Once the file has finished downloading, we then need to go ahead and run the setup file. If you do end up getting an error message like I do at the moment, that means that your security on your PC has actually blocked the install. So Windows Defender doesn't actually recognize Honeyminer as a safe or trusted program, as it's not too sure what it is, so it's automatically blocked it from running. To allow Honeyminer to run on your PC, all we need to do is right click on the start menu and then go to settings. You now need to click on update and security, and we now need to go down to Windows security, and we then need to click on open Windows security. Once you're on here, you need to click on virus and threat protection, and as you can see, it's currently blocked Honeyminer. You now need to expand this option and you need to go allow on device. But just remember, by allowing Honeyminer to run on your PC is at your own risk. I'm now going to go ahead and press start actions, and I've now allowed Honeyminer to run on my machine. If I now close down Windows security, if you don't have Windows Defender and you're using other security software, then you will need to allow it in that program as well. But like I said, it's at your own risk running the setup. I'm now going to go ahead and run the Honeyminer setup. You will then end up with a window that looks like this. If you're still getting issues with the setup running, just double check in Windows Defender just to make sure it definitely hasn't blocked anything else with the setup, and also in your other security software. I'm now going to go ahead and press I agree. If you do agree to the terms, press I agree, and it will then begin to install Honeyminer. Once Honeyminer has finished installing, we now need to go ahead and type in our email address, and you need to type in a password and then press get started. Once you have signed into Honeyminer, this is what you will end up with. So on the left hand side here, we have my current level. As you can see, I am on level 1. In the top right hand side here, we have our current balance. And this is how many coins we have currently mined and also how much money it is currently equivalent to. You can also click on see full history, and it will then open up your Honeyminer account in your web browser. As you can see underneath here, we have February the 18th. It tells us how many coins we have managed to mine today, which is currently the 18th. And I have so far managed to mine 1001. But that's not actually true, because it gave me a bonus just for signing up. It gave me 1,000 coins. As you can see, I currently have one GPU that is actually mining. If we go on to see full activity, we can see our GPUs here and what they will potentially be able to mine within the next 24 hours. So all the information's there. We can see the temperature of our GPU and what it's doing. If I also open up Task Manager quickly, you can see under performance that my GPU is currently at full whack. It's on 97%, which is good. That means Honeyminer is doing what it needs to do. It is also a good idea just to ensure you have the latest graphics card drivers installed, as you want your graphics card to be running at the best possible performance it can be when you are mining. So that is basically how you use Honeyminer, and also I forgot to mention you got the little toggle here to start the mining process or to turn it off if you just simply select it on and off. I will now see you all in 24 hours and we will see just how much coin we have managed to mine. Right, it is now 12 o'clock in the afternoon on the 19th, so it's the next day. And I now have the balance up on my screen and how much coin I have managed to make in 24 hours. So, drum roll please, it's now time to see just how much coin you can make in Honeyminer in 24 hours. And as you can see, my balance is now on 5,346. And that is equivalent to $2.81. So the real question is, was it worth leaving my machine on to mine for coin using Honeyminer? I mean, I did make $2.81, but did it cost more in electric than what I actually mined? Well, I will leave you all to decide that, if you think it's worth using Honeyminer. Overall, I think the program's very easy to use, love the GUI, nice and simple, just press a button and then you can start mining your own coin. So basically that does bring us to the end of this video. Also, I forgot to mention that if you do use Honeyminer and you do then want to transfer your coin to your crypto wallet, there is a slight fee as well. To transfer the money to your wallet, all you need to do is click on this little button here with the person, and it will then open up your web browser where you can sign into your Honeyminer account and then click onto wallets. And if you want to know what wallet I use Coinbase.com. I will put a link in the description below to the website, and also if you use my referral code, then you will also be able to get a little bit of a bonus in money, and you will also give me a bit of a bonus in money as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it did help. If you did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.